Have you ever paused to consider the magic behind autumn's vibrant transformation? The way leaves shift from their lush, green summer attire to a dazzling display of reds, oranges, and yellows, only to flutter to the ground shortly after? It's like nature's grand finale before the curtain falls on winter. But what drives this breathtaking spectacle? Let's unravel the science behind it. In the warmer months, leaves are cloaked in green thanks to chlorophyll, a pigment that plays a pivotal role in photosynthesis. This remarkable process allows trees to harness sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, converting them into sugars that fuel their growth and vitality. While we often take it for granted, this green pigment is not just a color. It's the engine of life, producing the oxygen we breathe and sustaining countless ecosystems. As trees thrive in the summer sun, they are busy feeding not just themselves, but also the world around them. However, as autumn approaches, the world begins to shift. Days shorten, temperatures dip, and trees sense the impending chill of winter. It's a cue for them to wind down their food production. The once vibrant chlorophyll starts to break down, revealing other pigments that were lurking beneath the surface. Suddenly, the leaves that were merely green become canvases of golden yellows and fiery oranges, thanks to carotenoids, those same pigments that color carrots and corn. They've always been there, hidden in the shadows of chlorophyll, waiting for their moment to shine. But what about those striking reds and purples? They come from anthocyanins, pigments that are not present in the leaves until autumn. Scientists speculate that these pigments serve multiple purposes. They may protect leaves from excessive sunlight or aid the tree in reclaiming nutrients before the leaves are shed. It's nature's clever way of maximizing every last drop of life from the leaves before they let go. As we marvel at the brilliant hues painting our landscapes, we might wonder why these leaves eventually drop. Why not cling to the branches as they do in the more temperate months? The answer lies in survival. Winter brings a scarcity of water, and as the ground freezes, trees face a formidable challenge. Retaining their leaves would mean losing precious water through transpiration, a process where moisture escapes from the foliage. So, shedding leaves becomes a strategic move, a way to conserve water and endure the harsh winter months. As the trees prepare for this transition, they form an abscission layer at the base of each leaf stem. This specialized layer acts as a barrier, gradually cutting off the leaf's supply of water and nutrients. With the lifeline severed, the cells in the leaf weaken, and eventually, the leaf succumbs to gravity or the gentle push of the wind, drifting down to become part of the autumnal tapestry on the ground below. Once on the forest floor, these fallen leaves don't just disappear, they play a critical role in the ecosystem. As they decompose, they return vital nutrients to the soil, enriching it for the next wave of plant growth. They provide shelter and sustenance for a myriad of small creatures, insects, and fungi. In their death, leaves continue to contribute to the cycle of life, a testament to nature's efficiency. But if losing leaves is such an effective survival strategy, why don't all trees follow suit? Enter the evergreens, those resilient trees like pines and spruces that retain their needles throughout the year. Their needle-like leaves are uniquely adapted to conserve water and endure the cold. With a waxy coating and a smaller surface area, these needles minimize moisture loss, allowing evergreens to thrive even when deciduous trees are bare. This distinction between deciduous trees, which shed their leaves, and evergreens, which hold on to theirs, highlights the remarkable diversity of life strategies in the plant kingdom. Each tree type has evolved its own unique survival tactics, whether that means letting go or holding on tight. So the next time you find yourself captivated by the brilliant colors of autumn, remember that this beauty is the result of a complex, well-timed process. From the breakdown of chlorophyll to the formation of the abscission layer, trees are engaged in a delicate dance of survival. Those vibrant colors and the falling leaves are not just a feast for the eyes. They are a reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability. And as those leaves decompose, they nourish the soil, ensuring that the cycle of life continues. Nature, in all its glory, truly never wastes a thing.